Crypto was never just about money, it's about freedom. But without decentralization, that freedom dies. No banks, no governments, no one to freeze your funds or block your transactions. Decentralization is what keeps crypto open, borderless, and unstoppable. In this video, I'll show you why true decentralization matters, and how it's the only thing standing between financial freedom and digital control. If you believe in owning your money, this is your wake-up call. Am I the only one who thought Bitcoin had a CEO? Turns out, it's totally different. Let's break down why that matters. Decentralization means that instead of one boss, thousands of computers around the world keep crypto running. No government, no corporation, not even a mysterious founder can flip a switch and shut it down. When you make a crypto transaction, it gets checked by the whole network, not just one middleman. This makes censorship nearly impossible. No one can freeze your funds or block your payments just because they disagree with you. And here's the best part, because it's open to everyone. Anyone with an internet connection can join the system, send money, or help keep it running. So next time you hear decentralized, think unstoppable, uncensored, and open to all. That's why cryptocurrency stays unrestricted, and why it's changing the future of money. Hit the like and subscribe for more crypto tips.